Good evening and welcome to a Photoshop tutorial which takes less than 2 minutes. Given the fact that you have prepared your portrait, in this case I've just chose a close-up view of a face, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to cut in tighter, but I don't really want to spend a terrible lot of time doing this. So can Photoshop help me? Well, I kind of discovered a little shortcut which is useful for this technique. And first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy of our background, and we can do this by dragging this image down to here. We've got a copy, so let's call this wide angle. And let's call this one master. So by choosing the layer that's called wide angle, we will move up to our filter. And from it, we're going to choose adaptive wide angle. When we click that button, we're going to get up our picture. What I want to do is leave the correction as it is. Fisheye is fine. Okay. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to move the scale up, right up to 100%, the crop factor to 10, and the focal length as far up as the focal length will go also. So let's move this up now to 100%. And now what we've actually got is we've got a tighter view on our portrait, and we can move it. If we didn't like that, we could move it out until we're happy. So choose whatever percentage fits your particular outcome. Okay, so I'm going to go there for 137. Notice that the proportions, the eyes are on the third, things have not altered. Okay, and what I'm going to say is okay. And what I've now got is I've got two layers, and if I switch this layer off, we've got the original, and if I switch this layer on, we've got the zoomed in effect on this portrait, which effectively gives you a different view on this particular person. So, as I said, it's a 2-minute Photoshop, and experiment with it. You might find a use for it. It could save you a lot of time. All for now. Don't forget now, if you want to hear more about Photoshop tutorials, or indeed Lightroom classic tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for listening and watching, and have fun.